Ja sam školski psiholog.
I'm a school psychologist and I work in a primary school.
Svakoga dana.
So that's why I meet violent situations every day.
Oblicima nasilja. Nasilje se događa
Violence happened between children, between parents and children, between the employees in a school.
Nasilje se događa između
and they are all specific. The kinds of violence are specific.
Sva ta nasilja imaju svoju specifičnu težinu. Što se tiče mog
If I think about my personal experience, the biggest problem I had was during the bombardment of Serbia.
Bombardovanja.
Because I asked myself why.
Zašto?
We are under the influence of violence every day. It doesn't have to be between people. It can be if we talk about media and kind of life we have.
Svaka od tih vrsta nasilja,
all of these kinds of violence can cause that we feel helpless,
da se suprotstavimo nasilju,
or that we have to do something with it.
U nešto što je dobro. Tako da
violence must stop because it's the only way that humanity can survive.
To je jedini način da čovečanstvo preživi.